and welcome back to Simply Divine Creations. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journal, productivity, and anything creative in between. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 spooky Halloween DIYs. As I have mentioned before on this channel, I absolutely adore Halloween, so of course I decided to create some fun Halloween decorations for around my house this year, and I thought I would share how I did that with you all. The first DIY is definitely the easiest. It is for magnetic spiders, and all you have to do is hot glue a magnet onto some fake spiders. It is as simple as that. The next DIY is a bloody candle. So this one is also fairly simple, but it did actually take a lot longer than I anticipated. I really thought that this would be really quick for some reason, but it actually took probably about a full 10 minutes to actually melt the wax all around the candle, so be prepared for it to take a fair while. But all you have to do is melt a red crayon onto a white candle and it'll look like blood drips coming down the white candle, and it gives that nice little spooky effect. The last DIY is a DIY tombstone out of a cereal box. Now this one was probably the most time consuming and most effort involved, I guess you could say. And I definitely did this one over the course of a couple of days, as I had to wait for paint to dry and things like that. But basically, you're just going to trim down a cereal box into the shape of a tombstone and tape it together with masking tape. I then covered it in paper towel to give it a sort of rougher texture, so it looked like that cement that a tombstone would be made out of, and then painted it grey and added in some detailing. Also, keep in mind that you will need to actually trim the cereal box down a bit to make sure the edges can actually fold over the curve. I didn't realize this at first, and you'll see me adjust for it a bit later on. So don't do what I did at first, and make sure you trim it down first. thank you for watching my Halloween DIY video. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks!